Have you ever stopped to wonder what's really inside an atom? 100 years ago, people thought atoms were like a little blobs of pudding. So if we draw the atom, that's like that. And then, so it's a smooth solid and filled with charges, just like you see like a cookie, like a chocolate chip cookie. But one scientist decided to find out for sure. His name was Ernest Rutherford, and his experiment was a simple sheet of gold, which changed science forever. Rutherford used a tiny bit of radioactive material, like radium, which naturally gives it alpha particles. These are small, positively charged helium nuclei that shoot out at a high speed. So what he did, he put the block of lead, and then he placed the source inside this block, right inside. But what he did, he left a small, tiny hole, so only a narrow beam could escape right here, just like you see on that orange. So that's called collimated alpha beam. He aimed that beam straight at a thin a sheet of the gold foil, just like you see here. That's this. So this is a gold foil. So very, very thin, just a few atoms thick. This idea was to see how these alpha particles that he shoot from the source straight to the the thin gold sheet, how that particle would pass through it. And here is what he blew everyone's mind. Most of the atom, just like you see here shown in green, went straight through the foil, like nothing was there at all. But some, the red ones here, the red arrow you see, suddenly bounced off at a crazy angle. A few even shot straight back. So Rutherford said it was like firing a battleship shell at a tissue paper and having it bounce right back. So what's going on? This meant that atoms weren't solid at all. Instead, almost all the mass and positive charge were packed into an incredible tiny dense, what Rutherford called the nucleus. So if you want to draw that, the Rutherford's version of atom is just like that, and then we have right in the middle, as Rutherford called, nucleus. Okay. So the rest of the atom. So how about the rest? They're empty space with electrons moving around that core, just like this. The electrons were moving. So we have one electron here, one here, so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna write them as n. So these are electrons. So this discovery completely destroyed the old plum puddling idea. Suddenly, we had a new picture, the atom as a miniature solar system with a massive nucleus in the center and electrons orbiting around it. From that one experiment came the foundation for Bohr's model, quantum mechanics, and even our understanding of nuclear energy. Rutherford's gold foil experiment didn't just reveal what atoms look like, it revealed how the universe is built. So, yeah, a few alpha particles bouncing off gold foil might not sound very exciting, but it literally changed everything. It showed that even the smallest, very teeny tiny thing like atom has a biggest secret. So, if you liked stories like this, where curiosity rides in the rule of science, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned because next time we're diving into how Bohr made Rutherford's atom go quantum. Thank you.